So just got back from my vacation and came into my backyard to find this. Got the footings dug. Hell yeah. Exciting, exciting. It's gonna be so nice having that. Yeah, I think this foundation was a little bit over-engineered, but that's good. Check out all this rebar, man. These footings. There's a ton of rebar, and it's the thick stuff too. Thick. Man, that's gonna be cool. All the footings and stuff are dug out. Most of the dirt's hauled off. I have a small pile right there and a little bit along the back. Other than that, we are ready to pour this thing. Tomorrow morning, these guys will be here at 5 o'clock to pour. Probably be here earlier than that, but ready to pour. Ready to pour at 5:30. I'm so excited to get this thing done. It's gonna be so awesome. All right, it's 4:30. We got a 5 o'clock pour. The guys just showed up. Let's go check it out. So we're out here pouring today. We got Vulliety custom hardscapes with us. Best guys to use in Reno if you guys are doing concrete. We're almost done with the footings right now. About to start pouring the slab. And then we got Mountain concrete pumping. If you guys need any concrete pumping, hit them up. All right, it's about 6:30. The guys got 5 trucks down so far. All the footings are done, and the first run on the pad. So got about 4 more trucks and we're good to go. We're on the home stretch. The sun just came out from behind the mountain. Looking good, looking good. That's what happens when you hire the best. Vulliety custom hardscapes. Call them if you guys need flat work. Got back, brought the guys some lunch. Looks like they're power trialing it. We got one more after that. I think it's coming together, man. Looking good, looking good. Look at that, baby. Love it.